Whether you're a professional painter or a DIYer, using a sprayer to paint your walls can save you a lot of time and hassle. But with so many different sprayers on the market, it can be tough to know which one is right for you. In this video, we'll review 6 of the best sprayers for painting walls, based on factors such as price, performance, and ease of use. Number 1. VONFORN VF803 Paint Sprayer. The VF803 comes with 4 different nozzles, so you can choose the right one for the job. It also has 3 different spray patterns, so you can get a perfect finish on any surface. It has a unique blowing function that allows you to blow away dust and debris before you start spraying. This is great for different types of projects and different paint thicknesses. Number 2. PULENDY PL42 Paint Sprayer. It's equipped with 4 different nozzles, making it suitable for various painting projects. It offers 3 spray patterns: horizontal, vertical, and circular. The paint sprayer is easy to assemble and use, even for beginners. It also comes with a cleaning brush and needle to make cleaning up a breeze. Number 3. MORCLIN SPG DCB20 Paint Sprayer. This paint sprayer offers versatility that suits any painting project. It also can be adjusted to 3 different spray patterns: horizontal, vertical, and circular. It comes equipped with 4 different sized nozzles, ensuring you have the right tool for the job. Number 4. Anttctig SPA 8004 Paint Sprayer. With its 700 watts motor and a massive 1200 milliliter container, this sprayer can tackle big projects with ease. Say goodbye to constant refills and hello to more efficient painting. This kit includes 4 nozzle sizes. This sprayer works with most paints, including diluted latex, at a speedy 1100 milliliter per minute. Number 5. BUENDIO TPX01 Paint Sprayer. This paint sprayer comes with 6 different nozzle sizes, so you can choose the right one for your project. It also has 3 different spray patterns: horizontal, vertical, and circular. The brass nozzles are also very durable and resistant to damage. This paint sprayer uses HVLP technology, which is more efficient and produces less overspray than traditional airless paint sprayers. Number 6. AODERTI AOD03 Paint Sprayer. One of the standout features of the AODERTI AOD03 paint sprayer is its cordless design. It's powered by DeWalt 20V and 60V flex Li-ion batteries. This paint sprayer boasts a high power motor, allowing you to work efficiently for extended periods. It comes with 3 different nozzle sizes, making it versatile for various surfaces and projects. Thanks for watching. We hope this video helped you choose the best sprayer for your painting project. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Tools Query for more tool reviews and comparisons.